Kaalada, ang ganda.
Long rally ends with an assault point.
With an error from Ateneo.
Now you also have to remember, fifth set, and this is the first time these rookies, Morente, Morado, are exposed to this kind of pressure. Let's go to Ina Osiaco.
Definitely, Blue and Mosey. Everyone as individual players definitely contributed very well in that fourth set. So much so that everything just seemed to be clicking for the De La Salle ladies. Tiger, in fact, Coach Ramil then commended the team for that. And knowing that this is the first time this team is experiencing a tiebreak, they are to relieve the stress and tension from the players. He said, wag mo lang pag-isipan yung first four sets. Dito sa fifth set, ibigay nila lahat. Will the win ang kailangan dito. It was said that Captain Ati Marano turned to her teammates and said, mas malaki ang puso natin kaysa kanila. Ipakita natin yan ngayon. Blue and Mosey.
Thank you very much, Ina. And you camera with flashes. The camera with the light. Stop that. Thank you so much. That's what they're trying to clear here. Fifth set.
Do not want any parang disadvantage to any of the team. So,
Free ball for Ateneo here, Mosey. Down one. Bagdes.
taken care of by the block of Lazon.
Bagdes again.
Oh, but this time, with a bit of an angle, gets the point.
Now, I mentioned the point about yung mga rookies natin, Sheng, first time, Morado, first time, sila Morente, first time, as we look at this Oishi, oh wow, moment of the game, open up to everyday surprises. So it will depend also on the veterans now in the fifth set.
Correct.
Ahomiro with a safe serve.
And expect the set going to the veterans.
Oh, and the veterans are delivering. Valdez, Marano, and Coach Ramil enjoying his time at the sideline as we go to Selena Dagdag.
Yes, Boom and Mosey, all heart, all out, no problem. This is the mindset of the Lady Eagles coming into the set. In Coach Ty's very own words, now Tyson Mitchell's instructions still has mainly to do with the girls' speed as he encourages them to be more swift in their movements on court. He also instructs them to stand more ready even during their transition rolls and especially on their floor coverage. Dagdag naman ni Eliza, relax lang tayo. Pag nakapoint sila, bawi tayo agad at huwag natin hayaang lumobo pa ang lamang. Boom and Mosey.
It's a chance of a lifetime for Ateneo right now. 3-all, fifth set. Pushing the defending champions to the brink also here. They're pushing them to the limit. Jesus saves it. It's a free ball for Lasal. Reyes in front. Oh, what a chase by Jesus Valdez. Another long rally here, Fajardo. Gala. Denied.
Ateneo winning that in a hard-fought battle. It's just a point, 1 point, and you can clearly see both teams wanting it so bad.
What about that chase of De Jesus from the back to the front? Mitsubishi Mirage G4, great play. Mitsubishi Mirage G4, expect more from the small sedan. Ateneo with a 1-point lead. It's the first time they've been in the lead for a while, Mosey.
For a long while.
Marano digging. Gala. Sent back, but it's a check ball.
And then it went out after the block from Ateneo, so Lazal getting that point.
Oh, what tension and drama here at the Mall of Asia Arena. Cannot script this. Parang nanana dyan. Oh, 2 sets ka muna. 2 sets ito. Substitute na tayo magkita. Morente the rookie.
You can also feel that yung naging nag-celebrate din. Shocking the same way na gusto yung sense of urgency and the want and the will. Pare-pareho eh. Tapos halo-halo siya. And you can feel it from both sides.
I can feel it. I'm not even playing it. We're safely here at the sidelines. Smudgy Bar. Oh, Bar sa saya. Oh, Bar sa sarap. And they feel their own momentum.
No problem since the first set.
Ramil De Jesus has been so animated the last 2 games. In all our time that we've been covering the UAP.
Now again, something new.
Yes.
Alas, 2 games.
Oh! Ben Velasco, a rare error in receiving. And look at him. They should get that reaction from Coach Ramil every time they make a point.
Mga bagong nakikita natin.
Holy! Pero hindi natin nakita.
Ang tagal na natin nag-over, no?
At hindi natin nakikita yan. Labangan DLSU na naman ang isa. Morado, Morente, pinalik. Lazaro, back to the rookie. Not good enough. Temecilio, Lazaro with the one hand. A free ball will be given to LaSalle. What will they do with it? They're up by one. They choose. And again, it is Valdez with her left hand. Another free ball for LaSalle. Bahato, Reyes, that's out. That is
Oh, for Tika Reyes. It's the sana because you don't usually see Tika out
You're right. That's a great point, Mosey. We haven't seen that in a while. 6 all. Kapit lang. Kapit. Itong dalawang kapuna na to. Sinong bibitaw? Sinong bibigay?
Pwede bang may 6, 7, 8? Total ang daming first.
Temecilio. Tejada. Keeps it up. Morente, the rookie. Galang from the back row. Reyes push. Back goes.
Good spot. Reyes finding that open zone.
7-6.
Tita, pamahaw ni Lolo. Lolo.